Get back. Get back. Last night I got back home at 10 p.m. We didn't get back from the cinema until midnight. Get over. Get over. It will take him a long time to get over the operation. You will get over the illness more quickly if you relax. Get along. Get along. After years of fight, they managed to get along. I can't get along with the neighbors anymore. Get by. Get by. We will get by with this old computer until we buy a new one. How can he get by on so little money? Get through. Get through. She get through her exams easily. I can't get through my traumatic memories. Get ahead. Get ahead. She wants to get ahead in her career. He soon got ahead of the others in his class. Get in. Get in. I get in my car in a hurry. They get in the classroom without the teacher's permission. Get off. Get off. Give me a call when you get off the bus. Her fans will be waiting for her when she gets off the plane. Get across. Get across. He get across his ideas effectively in presentation. Despite the language barrier, she managed to get across her ideas.